Hey guys, it's Miss Mia here today, and today we're going to be playing a very special game. I'm going to play some animal noises for you, and you get to guess which animal you think it is, and comment your answers in the comment section below. Okay, our first animal sound is either going to be a hippopotamus or a lion. Okay, let's have a listen. Which one do you think it is? Comment in the comment section. Okay, and our second one is either going to be a zebra or an elephant. Okay. What do you guys think that is? Okay, and for our last and final one, it's either going to be a giraffe, big tall giraffe, or a tiger. Okay, let's have a listen. What do you guys think it could be? Okay, the first one is a lion or a hippopotamus. The second one is a zebra or an elephant. And the third one, a giraffe or a tiger. Let me know your answers in the comments below.